In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this HONOR. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access Accessibility Features. Following that, click on One-Handed Mode and click on this gray switcher next to it in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, just click on this blank area. If you wish to disable this feature completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!